Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a quick review about my new booze block. The size is 24 by 18 inches and has a 1.5 inch thickness. I believe this size is the largest that they carry, and it's nice because it gives you ample room for all your kitchen needs. I must point out that this board is quite heavy in weight. The quality of the wood and grain is just beautiful. Booze products have always had a high reputation, and now actually having one that I can touch and see proves that quality to me. This particular block is made from American black walnut and is reversible, so you can use it on both sides. This is a heavy-duty item, and I can see it lasting a lifetime with proper care. Speaking of properly caring for your block, I do recommend getting their board cream and oil treatment. This will ensure your block continues to look new and also prevents cracking. These blocks are not cheap, so you want to make sure you protect them. I hope this review helps anyone thinking of buying one. Be sure to check out my other video where I show you how to maintain your wood boards. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.